What is up, you guys? This is Braden with the Certified Funnel Builders, and today I'm going to show you how to connect the Facebook pixel to a funnel in your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. It's super easy, but the way that they actually tell you how to do it is incorrect, so you're going to need this video to make sure that it's done properly. So let's go. So first thing you're going to need is to make sure that you have the Facebook pixel helper. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can just download that. It's a real quick, easy plugin. Doesn't cost anything. Should be super easy to run. So you run that here. And oh, no pixels found on this page. So that's how we know we're starting from scratch. So you're going to go into the 2.0 editor of that individual funnel. Now, that's the big difference. They're going to tell you to go to the universal section to put this in. Don't do that. It doesn't work. Go to the actual funnel. For it's in your funnel hub, go to the actual page in your funnel hub. Don't use that universal code section. It's not going to work out well for you. So you're on your page. You're going to go to the code section here into header code, and you're going to paste your Facebook metapixel. You can know because it starts with metapixel code and it ends with metapixel code. Super easy to find it. You'll get it when you're setting up your Facebook pixel inside of Facebook. So once you have that, paste that into here, and we will click save. Wait for that little spinning icon to end and go back to light gray. Yep, we are saved. So then we're going to go here. This is actually the correct page. I'm going to copy this. We're going to open a new tab up. Or reload this one. Either way works. Okay, this one's faster, so we'll go here. And you go over here, Facebook Pixel Helper. And look at that. Now we have the Certified Funnel Builders pixel is on here. It's getting the page view successfully and the microdata. It's really that simple, guys. Just don't do the way ClickFunnels told you. Do it this way. It's going to be way easier. And again, we've got some exciting stuff coming up for you guys to make this like even easier, take out all of the headaches. So stay tuned. That's going to be coming soon. Again, it's Braden from the Certified Funnel Builders, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.